are IBPS AFO previous year paper for the year of 2019. You all would be knowing, आपको पता ही होगा न्यू ईयर्स हो गया, ठीक है, तो एक नया साल शुरू करते हैं हमारे फिर से उसी सेशन के साथ जो हमने बीच में छोड़ा था, ठीक है. तो you all would be knowing the last 30 questions we took for 2019. Now remaining 30, because total 60 questions are there, so remaining 30 questions let us take for the year of 2019. So happy new year to all the students. And अगर आपका happy new year celebration हो गया है तो मैं आपको बता दूं AFO एग्जाम तो वैसे भी होने वाली है. The dates of that exam will not change, and that is why we will continue our series. So today we are seeing the 8th part in which we are going to complete our 2019 paper. 2019 paper of Agricultural Field Officer IBPS AFO. So let's discuss the questions one by one. According to the various agroclimatic regions, so India has 15 agroclimatic zones. So according to these 15 agroclimatic zones, yes, Happy New Year Vinod. Happy New Year to everybody. But one thing I'll tell you, see, this Happy New Year cannot be happy अगर हमारा AFO clear नहीं होता है तो. See, only I think 15 to 18 days are there for your AFO exam. So that is why I am telling you it. See, now even your hours, minutes and even seconds matter for your preparation of AFO exam. ठीक है, जिसे भी समझा नहीं ये बता दूं कि ये 15, 18, 20 जो भी दिन आपके पास बचे हैं, इस दिनों में आपको सेकंड भी मैटर करते हैं आपके प्रिपरेशन के लिए. तो ये क्वेश्चन है कि 15 एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक जोन होते हैं, तो इन 15 एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक जोन में ऐसा कौन सा फ्रूट है जो कि ट्रॉपिकल है, ट्रॉपिक्स, ठीक है. सो इन 15 एग्रोक्लाइमेटिक जोन्स विच इज दैट फ्रूट विच इज ट्रॉपिकल फ्रूट. ओके, is it pear, is it papaya, is it almond, is it apple, or is it plum? Now I'll tell you one thing, apple and plum, these are temperate fruits, so we can eliminate them. So okay, plum is also a temperate fruit. Okay, where is plum found mostly? Can anybody tell? Northeast and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So we can eliminate that. Now almond is also, I don't think almond is an tropical fruit. Okay, so almond is not a tropical fruit. See, there would be some average students which can get confused between pear and papaya. But when you understand or when you look at papaya, this is exactly the answer. That is a tropical fruit when we look at agroclimatic zones. So what are tropical fruits? Let's try to understand. Banana, pomegranate, mango, orange, grapes, pineapple, dragon fruit, watermelon, kiwi, lychee, lemon, fig, jackfruit, star fruit, muskmelon, avocado, grapefruit, papaya, amla, guava. All these fruits are found in India, and that also for a specific season. So that is why these tropical fruits you should be knowing about. Also make a list of temperate fruits also, so that you should be distinctively knowing what are tropical fruits and what are temperate fruits. Next, the term pulsing is related to what? Pulse processing, apple processing, processing of flowers, fruit processing and cereal storage. So pulsing, of course it is an restorative practice. Of course it is for increasing the shelf life of a particular crop. Now that crop can be either a pulse in the sense legumes, pulses, it could be apple, it could be flower, or it could be fruit. Okay, cereals, pulses, say cereals, there is no relation. So we know the Malganvi has given a correct answer. Actually, see, when flowers are dipped in a particular preservative or any other solutions so that to improve their shelf life, that is called as pulsing. So here processing of flowers would be the answer. Absorption of chemical solutions which contain sugar, that is saccharide solutions. Germicides through the lower cut basis of flower stem is known as pulsing. Sucrose replaces the depleted endogenous CHO utilized during the post-harvest life of flower. So it is nothing but in flowers what they do is that they give what extra sucrose solution to the flowers so that they keep on flowering rather than of course wilting down. Next, which of the, not odd, which of the following is not a bacterial disease in case of pigs? Pneumonia, bacillus, anthrax, septicemia and coccidiosis. Now this is a difficult one. As I told you, you should be knowing the disease, you should be knowing the animal, you should be knowing the symptom of that particular disease, you should be knowing the vector. Vector in the sense, yes, is it a bacterial disease, is it a viral disease, okay, etc, etc. So you should have such table with you. That is very, very essential. When students tell me, sir, it is very difficult to remember all this, yes, table is the only solution. So pneumonia, no, pneumonia is a viral disease, bacterial disease. Which type of disease is pneumonial disease? What about bacillus? Yes, it is a bacteria. Anthrax, is it bacterial or viral disease? It is a bacterial disease. Septicemia, again a bacterial disease. So coccidiosis is not a bacterial disease, okay. Omi Shorts, it's correct. Satish Kumar T is also correct. So one thing I'll tell you, coccidiosis happens in pigs. It also happens in your chicken or maybe in poultry section also. So try to understand in coccidiosis, here larva formation is there, okay, which results into, of course, your problem of in pigs also as well as in your poultry, as well as in pigs. So this is coccidiosis. Now, whenever such questions come, that is why you should be having a table in handy, okay. Why? Now simple looking at here, if a student had a table, he would have eliminated the rest of the options here, such as pneumonia, bacillus, anthrax, septicemia, etc. Okay. So coccidiosis not because of bacteria, okay. Let's move forward. The name of the disease of rose with greyish white powdery patches. See, whenever we talk about powdery white spots or patches on the leaves, of course it is mildew. Of course it's mildew. But mildew also are of different form. But here one more additional thing is there, that is white mildew. And that's why here it won't be downy mildew, it would be powdery mildew. So white color powder formation takes place on the leaves. So here this was a direct hit question and very easy question. Now in the comment section, please let me know powdery mildew and downy mildew. What are the vectors which are responsible for powdery and downy mildew? And also tell me which are the different either bacteria or maybe viruses which are responsible for powdery and downy mildew. I want the answers right now, okay. So flower buds, mature leaves, they get malformed in the sense their whatever the size or shape is there, that gets distorted. Flower buds fails to open and plant ultimately shows the wilted appearance. Rust, downy mildew, powdery mildew, rust and BLB. Answer is powdery mildew, we all do know about that. But when I ask in the comment section, Agri Girl, very good, nice name, Satyendra Kumar, Omi Shorts, Satish Kumar, I want powdery mildew and downy mildew. These are the favorite diseases which are associated with the agri exams. So what are the symptoms, or maybe what is the vector which is associated, and second, what are the organisms which are associated? That means which virus is related, which bacteria is related. Tell me that in context of powdery mildew and downy mildew. What are powdery mildew and downy mildew related to? Aphids, thrips, what are they associated with? That also you can tell me. Omi, Agri Girl, Satyam, come on, tell me. Very good, aphids, very good, nice, nice, now this was a previous year question, that is why I am asking you. I don't ask questions randomly. This is a previous year question. The downy mildew happens because of which organism or which vector? Aphids. Which organism? Like which virus or which bacteria? Can anybody tell that? Deshika, very good. Aphids is the correct answer. Come on, let's see. The one thing would be that I am coming here and giving you all the information. मैं आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पर कुछ भी information बस बकते जा रहा हूँ. What will you understand then? So that is why try to find out the questions. When you are even sitting in front, when we are discussing these questions, you should give additional information also at the same time, so that other students also can participate, and it would be little bit proactive learning, okay. Irritable, yes, this is responsible for your mildews, erysables. Satish Kumar, yes, right. Downy mildew because of Peronospora specialis. Yes, very good, that is correct. And what is your powdery mildew related to? Yes, Vinod. Very good. Right answers, guys. This is what I want. So here you could see powdery mildew if anybody has not seen. See how the green color has white dwarfy patches on it. Okay, so this is your. Then which of the following is an initiative taken by government for the electronic trading platform for farmers for selling their produce and getting fair prices? Okay. So if you see, there are only two electronic agricultural marketing platforms. First is eNAM and second is GEM. Okay. So eNAM is your important trading platform, electronic trading platform in which you can sell your produce and get fair prices. Okay. Where GEM is only related to marketing of your products. That's why eNAM is the correct answer. Okay. eChaupal, this is the recent platform which was in current affairs. What is eChaupal related to? Can anybody tell? Please tell me, let me know. Come on, a special, we will give claps for that person if he gives the answer related to eChaupal. During our NABARD exam of 2023, I made a question on eChaupal also because it was in current affairs. Can anybody tell what is eChaupal related to? Come on, quickly. eChaupal related to, yes, the answer here is eNAM. Okay, राष्ट्रीय कृषि बाजार इसको भी कहा जाता है, ठीक है. eChaupal, it is related to Pulses app. Yes, anybody else? Come on, tell. White muscardine disease is related to what? Sheep and goat, silkworm, cattle, poultry and swines. ठीक है. eChaupal related to what? Yes, it is related to pulses only, but give more information. Don't give one word answer. You are just one click away. You can give the answers here. Yes, silkworm is the correct answer here. White muscardine disease, look at it. This is your white muscardine disease. It actually infects silkworm on the silk threads. Okay, that is your silkworm disease. It is called as white muscardine disease. It is also called as fungal attack on silkworm. Okay, किसानों के लिए इंटरनेट प्रोवाइड करता है eChaupal. Yeah, that is correct. But the main objective, I want main objective related to eChaupal. Yes, silkworm is the correct answer. This is your white muscardine disease. I hope you get it. Now, your extra homework would be what? Yes, to find out why this, what are the symptoms which are associated to white muscardine disease, which is the vector which is associated with the white muscardine disease, or maybe pathogen which is related. Okay. Arey, one word answer you should be giving. eChaupal is an e-commerce hub. E-commerce hub. More than 35,000 crops are involved in the cell in the e-commerce hub of eChaupal. Okay. Yes, it is agricultural information system online. Sharing of information, that also takes place. Forward. Vertisoil order soil is found maximum in which state? Now try to understand. Vertisol comes from the origin of volcanoes. And in India, which is that region on the peninsula which is related to volcanoes? The dome-shaped plateau. What is that plateau called? Can anybody tell? Which is this plateau? So the answer here is Maharashtra, because the Deccan Plateau is what we are talking about. No, not Gujarat. Deccan Plateau mostly is in Maharashtra. So largest vertisoil soil is found in the Maharashtra, and the soil which originates from vertisol, that is your black cotton soil. And black cotton soil is also largest found in which state? Again Maharashtra. Okay, you get the idea? Deccan Plateau, Deccan Plateau, from Deccan Plateau vertisol, from vertisol black cotton soils found in Deccan Plateau, Maharashtra. Let's move forward. I hope you understand it. The main region in Maharashtra full is in Deccan Plateau. Okay, let's move forward. Under which category, based on land holdings, small farmers are classified under? So get an idea that marginal farmers are below 1 hectare. Okay, then comes small farmers which are 1 to 2 hectares. Then comes medium farmers or small and medium farmers which are up to 10 hectares, and more than 10 hectares are large farmers. So here you will get an idea that the answer is 1 to 2 hectares. Very, very simple. Good. Agri buddy officials, good, nice. Agri girl, very nice. Desika, very nice. Let's move forward. Under given pest, BT cotton shows resistance to what? So BT cotton, Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Why is Bacillus thuringiensis used? This soil bacteria is used to wade white bollworm or pink bollworm. These are the two varieties. So here the answer would be bollworms. Okay, are we clear? Are we clear? Yes, everybody official. Bacillus thuringiensis already I have written. Let's move forward. So this is your bollworm. Okay, let's move forward. Stubble sprout to form next new crop. So stubble sprout in the sense what? This was my crop. I harvested this crop. Okay, now whatever remaining apical shoot was there, that I will call it as stubble if unused. Okay, so this stubble sprout, if you are using to make a new crop for the next year, this particular method of cropping would be called as, this is your secondary crop from the primary root, which happens in ratooning. Lay cropping, what is lay cropping? Related to forage crops. Mulching, nothing but organic matter to cover the soil or crop roots for maintaining moisture and temperature. Chalking and cutting related to your, of course, horticultural practices. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते. Ratooning, main crop, ratoon crop or secondary crop which comes from your primary roots. What is isolation distance required for foundation seed production of okra? Now okra is similar to your bhindi. But what is the basic difference between okra and bhindi? Can anybody tell? What is the difference between okra and bhindi or okra and ladyfinger? Can anybody tell? Please tell me. After that you give the answer of the isolation distance. Come on, quick. Can anybody tell? Everybody. Same होता है, same होता है, same होता है. Difference क्या है? I will tell. See, okra and bhindi, these are not same. These are similar. Okay. Now, how I can prove this to you? Find out the scientific name of okra and find out the scientific name of bhindi or ladyfinger. Then you will understand. See, here if you see the overall seed pod, if you see the overall length of the fruit, if you see the overall structure of both these whatever vegetables or maybe crop, here you will see certain similarities and certain dissimilarities. Generally, this both crop could be similar, but scientifically their genus, their family, when we are talking about, that is different. So okra's scientific name is different and brinjal's scientific name is different. Okay. So that's the difference between okra and bhindi. Here the answer would be isolation distance. What is your isolation distance? It's 400 meter, and isolation distance, what do you mean by it? It is the minimum separation which is required for two or more varieties of same species for purpose of keeping the seed pure. So when two crops are planted, if their varieties are different but they are from same species, okra and bhindi, so what is the minimum distance to keep their seeds or their variety of seeds pure or unique? Okay, they should not mix in between. Okay, so that is 400 meter. Which breed of goat has highest lactation length? Barbary, Panza, Beetle, Sirohi and Jamunapari. Now such static questions when are there, you should be knowing the features of all the important breeds which are in the animal husbandry. So important breeds and their features, their characteristics you should be knowing about. Very good Agribody official. I am really very proud. The answer here is Jamunapari only. It's correct. Exactly, it's correct. Very good, very good. Okay. Agribody official, Albimochus esculentus. Yes. See, Albimochus esculentus. This is the scientific name of either of one, okra or ladyfinger. Okay, or your bhindi. And the second scientific name is Hibiscus esculentus. So both your crops seems to be same, but those are similar, not same. Hibiscus esculentus is different and Albimochus esculentus is different, and that is why okra and bhindi, okra and ladyfinger, one is from United States and Philippines and one is from the Asiatic region, most importantly from India. Get the idea? Let's move forward. Here the answer is Jamunapari. This is your Jamunapari. How to understand? Protruding nose, okay, short horns, short tail. These are some of the physical characters that also you should be knowing. What is Hibiscus esculentus? These are scientific names. Okay, these are scientific names. You find the scientific name of okra and bhindi, you will get a difference. Yes, very good. See, Agribody official has given the answer. Scientific name of bhindi is Hibiscus esculentus and Albimochus esculentus is your okra. So that's the name. See, your genus and family changes, right? So therefore both crops physical appearance would be same or similar, but the crops become different. Now this may be like these are from different regions, USA, Philippines, and one is from India or maybe from your Asiatic region. Monica Sharma. Then what is A. esculentus? Okra. Okra, bhindi. Two different things. Okay. Like different in the sense same but different. Okay. Name the grape training system where they are connected with each other. Niffin, Bower, skipping, telephone and pergola. Now try to understand, this is a very important section in horticulture. So whenever your winery is done, or maybe grape training systems are done, they are, whatever the vines are there, those are connected with each other in different patterns. One is niffin, bower, skipping, telephone, pergola. The answer here, if you know it properly, Monica is very right, telephone is the answer here. Okay, so here you could see cordon, pergola, curtain, lyre, head, then colura or basket type. So these are how your vines are connected with each other. In this telephone, no, everybody is saying niffin, not niffin. It's telephone. Okay, let's move forward. Removal of male bud in banana. So two things are there. In banana, removal of male bud also happens and removal of female bud also happens. So what is this male bud removal called? Disbudding, dehorning, denaveling, desuckering or none of these? मैंने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं देखा, ठीक है, क्वेश्चन देखना चाहिए. In exam what you will be doing? Yes, many students are giving the answer denaveling. You would be thinking that you are smart. Male budding removal is called as denaveling. Then what is female bud removal called as? Can anybody tell in the comment section? Tell me quickly. Come on guys. If denaveling is removal of male budding, then disbudding is removal of female bud. Okay, so here you can get an idea here. Removal of male bud after completion of female phase of banana is known as denaveling, and removal of male buds after all the female flowers are opened in banana, this is called as disbudding. Both of these things you should be knowing about. Okay, are we clear here? Let's move forward. Name the vaccine used for Ranikhet disease. Very important. Now you guys first tell me, Ranikhet disease happens in which of the animals, and what is the main symptom of the Ranikhet disease? Both these things you should be doing. Okay, now vaccine which is used, is it Clostridial, Marek, Canine, Lassota and Cercoflex? Everybody official has said Marek, that's wrong answer. Ranikhet happens in poultry. Very good. Yes, that's correct. What is the main symptom of Ranikhet disease? Quickly, I want the answer right now. Leave this answer, that you tell me later. First you should be knowing about. See, it happens in poultry, okay. What is the main symptom of Ranikhet disease? Now that you would be not knowing. Just you have recited the answers of the previous year question. It won't help you. This is not previous year analysis, just giving the answers. Should be knowing every dimension which is related to the topic. Here the main topic is diseases related to animals, mainly poultry. Subtopic is what is the name of the disease, what are the characteristics, features, vectors, solutions, vaccines, treatment. When you will do such all study related to that topic and subtopic, that's where you do real previous year analysis. Drooping wings, dragging legs, twisting of the head and neck, complete paralysis. Yes, crepitating sound. Yes, very good. These are all your symptoms of your Ranikhet disease. Okay, so generally your poultry or chicken are there, they behave like, they show a mad-like behavior. Okay, so drooping wings, that means falling off their wings, dragging their legs, okay, twisting their head and neck, circling around one area only, and they keep on circling till they lose their consciousness. Okay, complete paralysis sometimes. These are all your symptoms. Answer here is Lassota. Lassota is your answer. Let's move forward. Guava pest, which deposits eggs on the soft skin of ripening fruit. On hatching, maggot bores into the fruit and feeds on the soft pulp. The infested shows depression of dark green puncture. When cut open, maggots are visible, and finally the fruit rot and fall. So which of this bug we are talking about? Is it a fruit fly, mealybug, white aphid, white flies or thrips? Answer here is fruit fly. What is the difference between a house fly and fruit fly? So the answer here is fruit fly. Here you could see very similar to house fly only, but similarity is between house fly and honeybee. So you will get a fruit fly. Okay. Size is little bit bigger than your normal house flies, and fruit flies are commonly found on horticultural crops as well as mostly on fruits. Okay. They lay their eggs on the outside surface, and then those larvae they convert into maggots and survive inside that fruit. Okay, if you open such fruit, you will find so much of larvae. Which of the following is not correct about honeybee colony? Swarming is the natural process. Yes, correct. Queen, worker and drone are different. Yes, all three are different. Wax moth attack in larva stage and knit adult stage, that is also correct. Unfertilized egg become worker bee. Now that is wrong. Propolis and royal jelly and bee venom are byproducts of bees. That is correct. So unfertilized egg, they don't become workers, they become drone. They become drone. So yes, fertilized egg that will hatch into female bees, while unfertilized egg will become drones or honeybee males. Did you get the idea? Only replacement by drone, they replaced it by worker bee. After sheet erosion, minute finger-like structures are formed if not taken care. Gully erosion, sheet erosion, reel erosion and ravines. So these are the different types of erosion, and minute finger-like cracks are found in which type of erosion? Yes, of course, it's reel erosion. So this is the example of reel erosion. See, these are minute cracks, finger-spaced minute cracks. A reel erosion becomes into wide spacing, it then converts into a wide spacing gap, and that would be called as gully erosion. Agribody officials, you are making mistakes now. Earlier you were giving correct answers. पहले तो correct दे रहे थे, अब गलत हो रहा है आपका. In which of the planting system 4 plants are planted in a square, plant to plant, and the growth to growth distance is same, and plants are planted right angle to each other? See, there is no any central plant, no any diagonal mentioned, so here the answer would be square arrangement. Okay, right angles and plant to plant growth which is showing equal distance. So square is the correct answer. Aphid is responsible for which disease in tobacco? Tobacco mosaic virus disease, tobacco leaf curl disease, tobacco wilt, cucumber mosaic virus, and none of these. Very difficult question. This is a difficult question. Just a minute, guys. Not well, little bit, but that's fine. Yeah. So see here, why it is difficult, I'll tell you this question. See, aphids which are responsible in tobacco, they are for mosaic virus only. So through aphid, this mosaic virus enters in tobacco. So most of the student will feel that tobacco mosaic virus disease is because of aphids. But actually the real thing is, in cucumber the mosaic virus is there, and from there these aphids can take that mosaic virus and transfer it to tobacco. So here the answer is cucumber mosaic virus, not tobacco mosaic virus. Okay. So I hope you get the idea. Here many students will be wrong. So see this cucumber mosaic virus, this spreads through aphid in tobacco plant. The answer will not be tobacco mosaic virus, it's cucumber mosaic virus. Very, very difficult question actually. You should have vast reading for this. Of course not mentioned in any books, but as I already told you, all the mosaic virus, it may be tobacco mosaic virus, cucumber mosaic virus, banana mosaic virus, tomato mosaic virus, you should be knowing about. Okay. Let's move forward. The word crown cleaning is related to which of the following crop? Crown. Crown is found in which of the following crop? Brinjal, mango, coconut, coffee and pineapple. Now what is crown? That is also very, very important. So crown is nothing but it is a, yes, correct, Brinda is correct, Akash is correct, Monica is correct, Smrutinjaya is correct, Agriculture Buddy is correct, Monica is correct, very wonderful guys. Now for all students I will ask, what is crown? Quickly answer, what is crown? What does crown means? If you know the answer, you should be instantly telling what does crown mean. Exactly, canopy of the tree. So this is your crown. Okay. Center proportion of the tree which bears, portion of the tree which bears the fruit. Basal proportion of coconut. Tree canopy. Now listen to me very carefully. In forest or in your hardwood trees, crown is nothing but your, of course, the central what? Portion of the tree which bears the fruit. But in coconut, when we are talking about, it is the basal proportion of your coconut through which other shoots or maybe other branches may come out, or maybe your apical buds may result into development of new branches. So basal proportion in coconut, that is called as your crown. So that is why the answer here is coconut. Which of the following cattle breeds is utilized as draught purpose while cows are poor yielders? Sahiwal, milch cattle, eliminate. Tharparkar, Fresiwal and Dioni. Are these your draught cattle? No. Only Khillari here is your draught cattle. So the answer here is Khillari. Khillari is your draught cattle used for loading and unloading in agriculture. Tharparkar, no, Tharparkar is a dual cattle. Okay, not milch cattle, dual cattle. Khillari is the correct answer. Most common method of propagation of banana is what? 1 year grafting? Nope. Budding? No. Seed sucker layering. I already told you, as crown is there, from crown apical bud may convert into branches, and these branches may then result into formation of new trees, and this is nothing but your suckers. That is why vegetative propagation in banana happens because of suckers. Next, the process of letdown of milk in udder is due to which of the hormone? So which is that hormone? Because of milking in animals occurs indirectly. It's oxytocin. It's oxytocin. The answer is oxytocin, milking of your cow. Okay. Which of the following nutrients it's categorized under macronutrients under the mineral and neutral classification? Zinc? Nope. Manganese? Nope. Iron, calcium and potassium. So the answer here is potash. Okay. This you should be knowing the classification. What is micro and what is macronutrient. Okay. So here chlorine, Cl is chlorine, sorry. Okay. So that won't become the answer. Ferrous, when we are talking about ferrous, or iron when we are talking about C, it is also a micronutrient. Manganese, micronutrient. So only potassium is your macronutrient. I hope you get it. Make a table like this. Take a screenshot if you want to. Okay. The pigment responsible for yellow color in milk, yellow color in fruits is the same pigment which is carotenoid. It is found in carrot, it is found in your orange, whatever orange melons. Okay. Carotenoids, all the orange fruits as well as in milk. Which entomopathogens fungus roles as biological control agent in cotton bollworm? Beauveria bassiana, Spodoptera lutens, Helicoverpa armigera, Verticillium, and none of these. Yes, very good, right answer. Bolivaria bassiana. Bolivaria, Brinda, very good. See, you should be reading about it, then only you will have the answer to this question. Difficult question according to me. If you don't know the answer, move forward. Don't stop, just move forward. So Beauveria bassiana, this is a fungus which acts as a biological control agent which eliminates the cotton bollworm. If this fungus attack happens, then cotton bollworm does not survive. Which of the following medicinal plant is known as laxative medicinal plant? Henbane, Guggal, Isabgol, Ashwagandha and Kuskuta. Laxative means what? Which is that husk? It is called as the crop husk, or its external covering shell is used as a laxative. Laxative in the sense for easy bowel movement. That is Isabgol. In Hindi it is called as Isabgol ka chilka, that is covering. Okay, so Isabgol, Baidyanath Isabgol husk is there, husk. You will put it in water and that water you can drink. Okay, yes, exactly, very good Akash. Plantago ovata, yes, that is correct. Which of the following practice reduces soil erosion? Evapotranspiration, kinetic energy impact of rains, contour bunding, mixed cropping, eliminate mixed cropping, relay cropping, strip cropping and mulching. Which is the following practice which reduces your evapotranspiration? It's very simple. The answer here should be mulching. It should be mulching. Contour bunding eliminate, relay cropping eliminate, strip cropping eliminate. Yes, mulching is the correct answer. See, here you are covering the land by organic or plastic medium. So evapotranspiration will be eliminated. Kinetic energy impact, raindrop, gravity impact of raindrop, that would be prevented. Then last question, what is the average gestation period of buffalo? 316 plus minus 5. So 310 to 320, 360 to 370, 380 to 390, 413 to 423, 213 to 223. I already told you should make a table for such informations, gestation period, then your estrogen cycle, then your what is the name of the young ones, all this table you have to make. To be precise, it is 310. Yes, Monica, you are right. So 310, look at this, 316 plus minus 5. So it includes 310, right? Plus minus 5, na? So therefore, your answer would be 316 plus minus 5. That's correct. And see here, buffalo 310. Very good, huh? Very good, Monica. Really very nice answer. Make such table. Take a screenshot or make such table for yourself. Keep on adding the things. Parturition, what is it called? Estrus cycle length, gestation period length, type of. Here one more thing. In cow, what is the calf who is male less than 5 years old called? Female less than 5 years old called? Male who is castrated, what is he called? In buffalo, castrated, what is it called? In swine, what is it called? In sheep, what is it called? All these things you can make a table. So with this, we will end our session today. Thank you very much and share these lectures with all of your friends. जितना भी है share कर सके कर सको. Your response is really very very good. Mention in the comment section. Even this live comment sections are there. That's fine. But after offline also previous lectures, please visit them in comment section. Give your responses. I also need some motivation, right? So give your responses. Give your motivation to me. That sir, this lecture is very very important to us. सर ये मॉक रोज होता है? नहीं, मॉक वेडनेसडे और थर्सडे को होता है. तो कल हम मॉक लाइव सॉल्व करेंगे. टुमारो आई विल टेल यू 6 PM क्लास होगा, लाइव मॉक सॉल्व करेंगे और स्कोर करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सबसे ज्यादा 50 के ऊपर स्कोर करेंगे. Who people are going to be live tomorrow 6 PM? Mention in the comment section. आओगे ना? डरोगे तो नहीं? आओगे? ठीक है, आ जाना. थैंक यू. ओके, सो डोंट फियर. ओके, वी आर हियर, डोंट फियर. Come on 6 PM tomorrow. We'll meet and we'll take the session live test for tomorrow. Okay, so bye guys, see you tomorrow, and share it with many people. Okay, like the video also if you like it, really like it. Okay, very बहुत कम subscribers है, कुछ तो लोग ऐसे आते और निकल जाते. Subscribe the channel. We are bringing as much as information which you want. Okay, we are helping you as much as we can. At the same time, also give your responses also. That's motivation for me also. Okay, so bye guys and take care. Okay, meet you tomorrow at 6 p.m.